Hey, beautiful soul. So, if you've come across this reading, then it's not a coincidence. There could be some important messages that could be coming your way. And this is specifically related to the month of September, since we have two eclipses happening, a lunar and a solar eclipse in the month of September. So, there could be something important coming your way in the month of September. Let's see what's that. Bottom of the deck we have, lovely, we have the Six of Wands. So clearly there's some kind of victory, success finally coming your way. We have the Nine of Pentacles, wow. Five of Pentacles, the Sun, the Star, and the Hermit. Okay, this is absolutely wonderful. Three major arcanas, two cards which show some kind of success, and that's only one card which is a bit negative. But this clearly is trying to tell us you're finally moving out of some kind of abandonment or financial loss or struggle that you've been facing so far, and coming into this new phase wherein you're coming into a very independent, self-sufficient mode, which is bringing in a lot of joy and happiness into your life. And September is going to be that turning point for you because of the eclipses. So it is going to affect you over the next 6 months until the next set of eclipse that comes up or next year. There is a lot of healing coming your way. There is success and victory, since we had this at the bottom of the deck, the Six of Wands. Some kind of success, victory coming your way, and at the same time, you will be while you are shining bright and kind of interacting with a lot of people, you will also find the time to self introspect. And maybe, for quite a few of you, could be, starting some kind of a meditation routine or some spiritual practice, which is going to bring about a lot of healing. And this healing is specifically happening in the area of your finances, and in the area of your job or profession, or wherever you're working. Could be your own business and online, um, you know anything that you're working, say, online as well. But there is some kind of success recognition coming in,